Okay, so this might seem a little dramatic, I mean, at first glance, right? But we all know the feeling when we've lost our charger cable. How about when we find it or go out and buy a new one, only to discover our bases are slow charging? But when you connect your phone, you come back an hour later and you have less battery than when you started. Well, let me present Convergence Technologies Invisible Wireless Charger. It comes pre-assembled with all that you see here, and it's super simple to install. Install the bracket with two screws and slide in the charger. And that's it. And it's a fast charger, by the way, which is a big difference, especially when you just want your phone to charge.